Now, have a witness tonight. Can I ask y'all one question? The question is simply this: what do you think?
Where's my kiss?
Because there's some folk in here that people have wrote you off. Said you would never amount to anything.
What?
You never end up being anywhere.
Gotta talk about the music. You want me to put the ladder up?
When Mama said you would never be nothing. When Anthony and Uncle said that you never amount to anything. When Daddy didn't come home anymore.
Get your tushy, Juju. Ah, I got your tushy.